Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for your PAL or RPAL online in Canada. So this is helpful because the online process is more streamlined and you don't have to wait for paperwork to arrive in the mail. Then before you apply, you still need to complete the Canadian Firearms Safety Course and the Canadian Restricted Safety Course if you're applying for an RPAL. So to start, go to the RCMP website for the Canadian Firearms Program, scroll down and click Licensing. On that page, click Apply for a Firearms License. Then choose Apply Online Now and hit Get Started. Next, sign in to the RCMP. You can use a GC key or you can sign in with a sign-in partner like a bank. After you sign in, read the privacy statement and accept it. Now you create my CFP account. Fill in your details exactly as they appear on your passport, citizen card, or permanent resident card. Double check everything because this information is used to verify you. So once your account is created, go to My CFP Services, then choose Apply for a Firearms License. Before you begin, make sure you have a credit or debit card and 2 pieces of government ID. If you live in Quebec and you're applying for a restricted license, you'll need to complete that form in person. If you are applying for a photo waiver, you'll need a valid and unique email address for a religious official. After that, the application will guide you through 19 steps. Read page carefully, take your time, and answer as honestly as you can, including the questions about mental health and anything that they'll ask. Small mistake can cause delays, so review your answers as you go. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.